So all my lovely students, I hope you are doing well. We have done many exercises and many questions. Let's do some fun questions and some easier questions too. Now the first question here is, find the remainder when x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Now here you have to you can use the remainder theorem or you can use the division or factor theorem. So I will use the remainder theorem. So how to solve this example using remainder theorem? Now hint is, you have to divide with x minus 1. So what will you do is, you will say that x minus 1 is 0. Because if you divide with this x minus 1, that means it must be one of the 0 of given polynomial. So you have to take this 1 here, it become plus 1. Now what will you do is, it's so simple. You will substitute the value of 1 in the given equation, which is, I'll rewrite. Now during the exercise, just don't forget to copy them correctly. If you don't copy the question correctly, there might be chances your answer won't come correct. Now this is my question. I have to substitute 1 here, 1 raised to 4, 1 raised to cube minus 2 into 1 square, 1 plus 1. 1 raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to cube is 1, 1 square is 1, minus 2 ones are 2, plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, plus this is 2. So your remainder is here p of x. Your remainder you get is 2 using remainder theorem when divided by this. Now as you get remainder, you can say that this might not be one of the 0 of given polynomial. Similarly, let's perform the second question. Check whether the polynomial q of t, 4t cube plus 4t square minus 4t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1 or not. So similarly, I will do that 2t plus 1, if it is a multiple, then it must be one of the 0. So 2t is equals to, this 1 comes here, that is minus 1. So t is equals to minus 1 and 2 went in the division. So t is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Now what will you do is, you have to substitute the value here in this question, and if you get 0, that means one of the multiple is this. So p of t, 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1. So t's value we have to keep minus 1 upon 2 cube plus 4 minus 1 upon 2 square minus, here the sign is minus and t is also minus, and minus 1. Now 4 minus 1 cube is minus 1 and 2 cube is 8. 4 minus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, minus minus plus 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 1. 4 ones are 4 twos are 4, 4 cancel. So answer is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1. You can see this all get cancelled. So answer is 0 when you have kept p of t minus 1 upon 2. So yes, you can say that 2t plus 1 is the multiple of given p of t. Isn't it easy? Yes. Similarly, we will do one more based on this. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So again I will do, if it is divided by x minus a, then it must be 0. A has to be taken here. So x is equals to a. Now wherever you find this x, you have to substitute the value with a. I'll rewrite the questions. and here instead of x I am supposed to keep the value a. Now the a cube, you can see that wherever I found the x, I have kept the value a, because we have to see that what is the remainder when it is divided by x minus b. So a cube is a cube minus a into a square, that is a cube, 6a minus a. This got cancelled as they were like terms. 6a minus 1a, answer is 5a. So remainder is 5a when you divide by x minus a this p of x. I hope you have understood this. So kindly go through all the exercises, practice them twice, see the videos twice, thrice if you don't understand them in once, and practice solved examples as well as textual PDF. Thank you. See you for the next class.